Today I'm going to show you how to set up our brand new Wi-Fi SPY charger. So as you can see, it's a normal charger. We do have iPhone and also Android version. It comes with instructions, etc. You do need to download an app called P2P Cam app. First of all, leave it plugged in for roughly a minute or so, and there we go. So we found that, click that. There we are, all connected. Come out of that and go to the app. Now, go to plus, add new online camera. What you need to do then is you can scan the code, so click OK, and behind it is a code. Put this behind it. Hard to do this when you're trying to record. There we go, so it's found it. Press OK, and now it's just logging in online. So click that, you'll be able to see. Well, I do advise to change your password, but we're going to skip it this time. You'll see my ugly face any second now. There we go. Quite good for a small camera. You can set like motion, etc. Come out, and if you click the jagged circle, you'll get so many different options. Look at that, click that. So device settings. As you can see there, if you want to set this up with your modem so you can leave this charged in and let it record all day and give you notifications, etc., you will click your modem. So mine's that one there. Click that. It then asks you for your password. So it's the password on back of that modem itself. You'll click OK, and it's all set up. I'm not going to do that now. So alarm configuration. You can ask it to notify you once it detects. So put it on the highest. Pop-ups. That's what I always click on, pop-ups. So it notifies me. There you go. So it's notified me, and it will store a recording in the alarms. So as you can see there you go. But there are so many things you can do on this. You can actually put an SD card inside of it. If I unplug this now, show you, the SD card does go inside there, just in the top bit, so you can plug it in there. The only part I didn't show you is you can just stand this up. There we go, so it's all charging. Does charge your phone. You can buy this from my own shop, or you can obviously buy it off the eBay site. Thank you.